Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a new membership inside of your ServiceTitan account. So to help guide our video today, I have put together a list of different constraints that we're going to be using and following to build this out, and I'll go over those as we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Settings, Membership Types, and we're going to create a new membership type. It's going to ask us to name it, so I'm just going to call it the Gold Plumbing Membership. And then we're going to do Save and Next. You can add a tag to it, so we'll just go ahead and add a maintenance tag. We're going to go to Save and Next. So here we have our duration and billing settings. And so we have a lot of options here. In this setting, we're basically going to have a membership that's billed annually. So we're going to go over here and select Fixed. We're going to select the billing frequency. So we're going to do every 12 months. So it's a month, and we're going to set it annually. So basically it's a fixed duration membership. It only lasts 12 months. It's not ongoing, it's only fixed. It expires after 12 months and it's billed annually. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and save and next. The next thing we're going to want to do for our list here is we are going to want to set up a blanket membership discount of 10%. So as you can see here for discount, we're going to set for all services 10% and do save and next. We're just going to select a single location because when a customer buys this, it just goes to the one location. We don't want to set up our own pricing tables that are separate from what we've got in the price book. And now we need to set up a new sales task. So basically when this task is added to the invoice and sold, it basically creates the task. So what we're going to do here is create a new task. We're going to call it membership sold. New membership. We're going to give it a price of, let's say, $100. And we are going to assign it to the revenue account. And yeah, there we go. Click save. Okay, so we've gone ahead and added a sales tax code, and we're going to go ahead and save and next. Now we want our renewal task, so let's look up our renewal tasks. So let's say it's this gold points one right here. You can also just create a new one if you need to. This basically the renewal task, it renews the membership when it's added onto an invoice. And now we want a billing template. So basically for this, we want to set up a billing template, an invoice template that charges $100 per visit on the recurring services. So basically the point of this is so that when there's a recurring service, we can basically, when we create like a recurring service, a job from a recurring service, it uses this billing template. So what we're going to do is create the template, and we're going to add a service charge, which is just going to be, let's just call it a panel tune-up, and we'll give it a unit price of 100. So we want to charge that $100 on the membership. So we're going to add that to the membership type. There we go. We're going to click save and next. So every time we book from a recurring service, that'll be on the invoice. And now we want to add our recurring services. So as you can see here, we're going to set the recurring service to recur every 6 months of this 12-month membership. So we're basically going to create a new service. We're going to call this Gold Plumbing Membership. We're going to select our invoice template, which we just made. We're going to go over here to, and then we can fill out like our business units, etc. So we are going to just call this our HVAC maintenance. Select the job type to tune up. We're going to select just go no heat. We'll manage that. You can select a campaign, and then the priority is normal, and you can give a default summary. So this is a tune-up. This will be what will be populated into the tune-up section. So now we can do the actual recurrence type. So that'll actually be in the job summary when you book from a recurring service. Next, we're going to do the recurrence type. So we want to do monthly. And then what is our recurrence interval? So how often is this recurring service done? We're going to do 6 months. And then the duration type, we'll just do number of total visits. We want to do 2 visits in this on this membership because it's only a 12-month membership, and then we do not want to mark that first visit complete. We'll click save. So there we go. Go to the next step. And now you can basically go through here. So when is the membership recognized? We're going to do point of sale. Because it's point of sale and not deferred, it basically is just that one setting. If it's deferred, there's a bunch of other settings involved. And it's definitely something you would want to get your accountant involved in, as well as your ServiceTitan Success Manager. So we're going to do save and next. It's going to summarize the membership, and then you're all good to go.